Hi Alex, it's Grandpa, and guess where we are? We're down by the river. This is the Hudson River, Alex. Yeah, see? And look at the birdies in the water. See the birds? And there, where's Grandma? There's Grandma, say hi. And Grandma says there's a birdie over here taking a bath. Oh, look, is that birdie taking a bath? Wow. See the bird? He's walking in the water. Wow. That's cool. There he goes. He's taking a bath. But look at all the birds. And there's a whole bunch more over here. Look.
Seagulls.
There's
geese.
Pigeons.
And
the white one is a seagull. And then there's Canada geese out there. And ooh, I think I see a sailboat, Alex. Two sailboats. Wow, very cool. Very cool. And look at all the sailboats out there. Wow. And Grandma just saw a butterfly.
yes.
Look at all the birds. There's pigeons and white seagulls. See all the white seagulls? And then out there are the Canada geese.
Come show them the butterfly garden.
Here's a butterfly garden over here, Alex. Let's see if we can find a butterfly. Let's see. Oh, I see a bee. Oh, look at that bee, Alex. Wow. That bee landed right next to Grandpa. Look at that. Wow, let's see if we can find any butterflies. I don't know. Pretty flowers. Look at the yellow flowers. More yellow flowers. And there's a big white flower. But where are the butterflies? There's the sailboats. Do you see any?
No. Up here.
These little girls are looking for butterflies too. Look, they see birdies. Look at the birds. They're looking for butterflies. Yeah. Up. Grandma's over there looking for a butterfly. Yeah. There's the butterfly. Uh-oh.
We're finding a lot more butterflies.
Oh, Grandma found butterfly. Grandma said she found a butterfly. Where, Grandma? Where's the butterfly? Oh, look, Alex. Huh? That's a butterfly. Woo, there's a whole bunch of butterflies. Where'd he go? There's a butterfly.
There's another big one down there.
Another one. See the oh, there's a butterfly, Alex. Yeah. There's one down there, too.
Two of them.
There's two of them over there. Can you see the butterflies, Alex? Yeah, there's one right there. And there's one up there. Two butterflies. And there's one right down here. But he's hiding. There he is. There's the butterfly.
Just opened his wings.
Yeah, come on, butterfly, open your wings for Alex. There he is. Wow, nice butterfly. There's another one down there, I see. Let's see if I can show him to Alex. There he is. See the butterfly, Alex? And here's another yellow one over here. And there's one up there. Look at all the butterflies, Alex. Yeah. Ah, pretty butterflies, huh, Alex? Look at that one right there. There's another one. Butterfly. Oh, look at this butterfly. Wow, look at the butterfly. Whoops. Woo, the birdie scared the butterfly. But there's two butterflies. Look at Alex. One, two. And those are orange butterflies. And there's a big butterfly. Whoa, he's flying around Grandpa. And there's another butterfly. Whoa, where'd he go? There he is. Whoa, he almost hit Grandpa. Look, there he is, Alex. A butterfly. And there's another butterfly. Wow, there's butterflies all over, Alex. There's a yellow butterfly. And another big butterfly. And lots of bees. Wow, look at all the bees. And there's a little butterfly. Yeah, there's a little butterfly. Wow, lots of butterflies, Alex. Okay.
Those are two pretty ones right there
There's,
together.
Grandma found two more butterflies. Yeah. Aren't they pretty? Okay. I guess we say goodbye to the butterflies. Want to say goodbye, Grandma?
Butterflies. Bye, Alex.
Hi, Alex. Bye, Alex. See you soon. Say bye, butterflies. Bye.